I was sent the Round Lab toner, and this is really simple to use. I have a cotton ball here. This is what the toner looks like. And then you have two options. You could just put it right onto your hands and then dab it on your face. But the other way I like to use is with the cotton ball. So first, let me take the little safety seal off. We're gonna use it together for the very first time. Toner is great for once you've cleansed your skin, just to get any like dead skin cells off, any other dirt, grime, pollution, makeup, helps with your pores. And then you want to follow up with a moisturizing cream, a serum, and definitely SPF as well. Now I just cleansed my face, so we'll see if I get any extra grime off. Tiny bit so far. Doesn't sting or anything like that. It's very pleasant. And again, it's just giving you that really good deep cleanse to get rid of any dead skin cells. Any dirt trapped in your pores. And then I do recommend doing your neck area as well. See a little bit of dirt there. And that is it. That's all you got to do when you use toner. So simple. I love the size of this bottle. This is quite a lot of toner, so it will last you a while. Now my skin feels nice and tight. It actually has a little bit of a glow to it as well. And I'm going to follow up with some moisturizing cream.